Mombasa remains a hotspot in the spread of the coronavirus. The Health Ministry continues to report more infections from the region, with one person also dying from the disease. Kilifi and Kwale counties are also among the counties on the government's radar as the authorities vow to institute stiffer measures to curb the spread of the virus. NTV's Kevin Mutai also reports that Kilifi Deputy Governor is recovering, and the government maintains that he will be charged for refusing to go into mandatory quarantine for 14 days.
Just a day after the 2 cases of corona recoveries were announced, the number of lives lost has increased.
We have lost an additional 2 patients who were tested positive to the disease. One in Nairobi and another in Mombasa. This now brings to 3 the number of deaths of those who have tested positive to the virus in the country.
The funeral of the first coronavirus victim in Mombasa was held earlier today. The family, under strict guidelines from the health authorities, were given permission to bury their loved one as health officials continue tracing more people who had come into contact with the deceased. Arrangements for the burial of the other victim are ongoing.
We are in discussion with the family. The body, we have done disinfection, we have body bags, and as soon as they're able to clear with the hospital in terms of the bills, and also in consultation with our health team in Trans Nzoia County, we shall be able to dispose of the body appropriately.
It is alleged that the Mombasa patient who succumbed had gone to a private hospital where she reportedly failed to get proper medical attention.
We shall be asking the national government, we shall be asking for DPP. When we hear of a situation where private hospital has turned away a patient, we shall be asking for prosecution. So private hospitals, be careful, because we are keenly watching your behavior during this time.
Out of the 110 persons so far infected, Mombasa is second with the highest number of COVID-19 patients after Nairobi. Kilifi and Kwale counties have also been affected. Meanwhile, Kilifi Deputy Governor Gideon Saburi, who was among the first persons detected for COVID-19 from the region, has fully recovered but has a case to answer.
He has been declared fit after being subjected to 3 tests, all of which have turned negative. Naturally, the issue of the law, we will now follow up with him.
6 patients are currently under quarantine at the Coast Provincial General Hospital. The county government is seeking to hire more health workers and has been fortunate to receive a donation of 10 ventilators, which will be distributed across health centers to help patients infected with the coronavirus disease. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.